So I'm Mike Feazel with Roof Maxx. We're out in Naples, Florida with Gulfshore's Apartments. It's a project for LivCor. This is a shingle tab that is broken off, and we want to do a demonstration to show how brittle this roof is. So just kind of pick it up and bend it, Jack, so they can. And you can kind of see the cracking that's happening within the shingle. And then bend it back the other direction, yeah. So you can kind of, very brittle. We're gonna go ahead and spray it. Yep, there you go. Thank you. And what we'll do is we'll put that on the ground, and we'll take a look at that tomorrow. So here's the piece that was treated yesterday. Get it all the way in half. Go this way, and it doesn't crack. And this is pretty much what you'll get with the new shingle out of a package or a bundle of shingles.
And this is what we look for as when we're coming out to inspect the property. As you know, for the asset management aspect, we're looking for the flexibility of the shingles. And when we have a shingle that's brittle like this, the service life is next to none. So flexibility is really what is the key to help shingles continue to provide the service that you want.
Yeah, the contraction expansion, right? Flexibility and contraction expansion. Also, the granules won't come off as much when they're resaturated with the oil. It does what it's supposed to do, and it's very simple. We're just replacing lost petrochemical oil with an all-natural bio oil.